riffs. We've talked about the traditional version and the conventional at this point, and we've learned about how to walk in riffles, but this family gets even more extensive than that. You can do pendulum riffs, so you're bringing your foot back and forth. You can walk with them. That includes walking with pendulum riffs too. You can do back riffs, so the movement is opposite of a traditional one. You can do turned out riffs. You can do riff turns. You can turn both stationary and while traveling. You can add riffs to like hop steps. You can add riffs to your essences. You can even take your riffles even further and add them to a hop step or other different options that you could have used like scuffles or shuffles for. So riffs create, again, a rather large grouping. It's not just a single thing that you learn. There are many other steps that you're able to execute with them and ways that you can adjust other steps to add riffs in almost everywhere. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about another family. I will see you then.